Okay, woodworkers, let's open this box and see what we got. This is a project I've never done before, but they sent me a Hychika double D18F cordless driver kit here to try out, and we'll just kind of go along and see what it looks like. First of all, we got to unbox the thing, and then after that, then I'll take the drill and go out to the shop and try it out. Lay the thing back down so we can see what's in there. Okay, it's really nicely packaged and compact. First thing I find is a little carrying pouch, which I think looks pretty nice. Alright, let's see. In this box, looks like we have the charger. And yeah, 20-volt charger. This is interesting. A little clip, or packet I should say. Got a bunch of different sized Phillips screwdrivers, and down here looks like we have a deal for driving, and up here there's a few sockets. 5/32, 3/16, quarter, 9/32, and 5/16. Not bad for a little kit. Now we go to the twist drills, and I think they're just high-speed steel. They don't seem to be carbide steel. So for general use, I think they'll be just fine. Some spade drill bits. I've never been a real fan of using these, but I'll try them out and see what goes on here. They go from 3/8 up to 5/8. That's nice, and it looks like they are well sharpened. Time will tell when I use it. Okay, fold this up and put it away. Okay, here's let me get this so you can see it the right direction. Here's the instruction manual. Let's see, it has about 7 pages worth of instructions, all about the drill and charging and whatnot. Looks pretty good. Hychika cordless drill. Gives you all the warnings here on the first page, and shows you all of the different functions on the. Kind of hard to make sure I get this in the picture. And then just general information. Here's all about the battery, how to charge, and everything. And then it talks about this little clip. Can you see it? We'll get it where you can, maybe. Maybe not. Anyway, I'll just tell you about it. It's a little belt clip thing that you can put on the side of the drill, and it will you can hang it on your belt, like if you're climbing a ladder or something like that. Okay, there's the drill out of the package, and has 20-volt maximum, 2.0 ampere hours, Hychika lithium ion, and I don't know, I was trying to figure out if it has a brushless armature or not. They seem to be going to brushless anymore. They have less trouble with it. Okay, you have under the bottom here, you see this button my thumb is on. There's a forward and reverse, and in the center it's locked. And then of course you've got the trigger, and forward, reverse. It's pretty cool. I like the lock mechanism, that way you don't accidentally do something with the thing and drill a hole where you didn't want to. Okay, here's where the belt clip thing goes on. I haven't put that on yet, but just has one screw, and it got a little deal where it holds it square. Okay, 2-speed, and you really get up and go there, 2,000 RPMs, I believe it said. And then I do most of my driving with like up to 500. Oh, I think this has got a variable. Yeah, it does. A variable speed, just depending on how hard you press on the trigger. From 0 to 500 there. And then the other feature it has is a clutch. This is pretty neat because you can go down to the bottom. Of course, I can hold that easily. So then I'll go up. I think I figured out that about 9 is all I can hang on to. Let's see. Yeah, that's about it. That's right, 10. I'd probably jerk it right out of my hand. Yeah, it's just almost more than I can handle there. Oh, that was 13. Let's go back to 10. Yeah, I can still do it at 10. Okay, it has a 3/8 chuck, which is, you know, it's kind of small. A lot of my stuff I like to have a 1/2-inch chuck, but most everything that I've seen in a portable, battery powered, it has a 3/8 chuck. And for the most part, that's all you'll need. Occasionally you use a bigger one. There's a lot of 1/2-inch drills on the market that have a reduction on the end of it so that you can put it in a 3/8 drill. Okay, what have I missed on this thing? I think I've covered just about everything. Here's a little wristband if you want to use it. And the other thing I believe I missed telling you about is this clip can be moved to the other side. If you're left-handed, for example, you just turn it over and one screw and you hook it in there. I guess I should show you the little clip because it might be something you'd like to see. I've never seen it on anything else, any other brands that I've looked at. Okay, there's the clip. I'll get it in the picture. And it will go on here like that. That look usable? And then your belt hooks here. It would hang upside down on your belt. And it won't stay without the screw in it, wouldn't you believe it? Okay, that pretty well covers everything, I think. Oh, I didn't show you how the battery comes out. It has a little lock here. You press down on it and pull it out. It's real easy to put the battery back in. And the last thing that I'll mention, and then we'll take it out to the shop and give it a try. It's got that light there. That's pretty cool. So you can, it shines out here about where a drill bit would be. So have fun. We'll see you at the shop. Okay, here we are out in the shop. Handled the countersink pretty well. I'm impressed. I wouldn't be afraid to buy one of these. I think they're well worthwhile, and I think it's big enough that I can use it for a lot of things around the place. I told you I was going to try one of these spade drills and see how they work. So let's see what will happen here. Oh, no wonder it was going kind of slow. There's a knot there. That's not going too bad for a 1/2 inch. Let's try 5/8 and see what happens with 5/8. I can just barely hold that thing the way I've got it set. Okay, here we go with the 5/8. Put the clutch up a ways here. I'll handle it. Let's see what my, I'm gonna do a name dropping here. See what my DeWalt does with this thing. Had this thing for about 15 years. So, okay, compared to the Hychika is the name I want to say. Let's see how this goes. Well, I believe that Hychika is a little better than the DeWalt. Like I say, the DeWalt's old, but it still works good. I'm impressed. If you want to buy one of those, I wouldn't be afraid of it. Hychika passes the test. So this is Wayne with the What's Up Wayne channels signing off on a test of a Hychika 20-volt cordless drill. I don't think you'll be here to bet with one of these.